is they have 34 decibels of a noise reduction rating for over-the-ear muffs. Now, typically, when you have over-the-ear muffs that have that high of a noise reduction rating, they're super thick, especially down here at the bottom. They're actually decent quality considering how inexpensive that they are. You know, I've been testing these out for a month. They got like 1 million colors available, and this is how they fit right here. And it really feels like you're inside of a vacuum when you have these on your head.